Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. Hi guys, we're back with yet another live for the day, and Aisha will be joining me anytime now. I've just had a word with her and she's coming. I'm excited to have her. It's been long that we've been waiting कि उनसे बात हो जाए, and now today finally we are gonna talk to her. We've conveyed it to Harsh and Niyati. Let's see if they can come together. We are not promising, but let's keep our fingers crossed. But yes, Aisha, if you're watching the live and if you're watching me right now, please send me a hi and I can just join you with your fans and we can start the live chat. Yes, I know it's been long that we gave you Aisha ke saath kuch exclusive content and some segments. So let's see what all can be done. Yes, we did get your questions, and I'm thinking why not play the memory game with Aisha so that she gets to relive her childhood, Subhanallah, the journey, and a lot more things. And you also get to have your best memories with her, maybe in the live chat. Hi.
Hello, finally. I was just
Yes.
waiting. I said, oh, damn, it's not connecting.
How are you, by the way?
I'm really good, yeah. How are you?
I'm good. Were you working out or what?
Sorry?
Were you working out or what?
No, I wasn't working out, yeah.
I thought maybe you were working out or something.
No, I was not working
How
out.
are you?
Actually, I was just rushing here and there, and yeah.
इसीलिए दैट इज द रीजन आई प्रेफर कॉलिंग थोड़ा पहले. मुझे पता है सब लोग बहुत कॉट अप हैं, घर पे हैं, तो थोड़ा ज्यादा काम में फंसे हुए हैं.
यार मैं कुछ काम नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट माई schedule is so weird. Like honestly, it took me a lot taking a shower. I don't know why I took a little longer. I was just enjoying my shower. I realized, oh shit, I'm running late. And then yeah, when you called me, I was just coming out of the shower. So I said, oh shit.
See, that wala Raz, so I already know of yours, that you love your long showers.
Oh, you know that?
Yes. वो मुझे कुछ दिन पहले वो राज पता चल गया था.
Oh my god.
Because कुछ दिन पहले when we were talking with Adnan and I asked him that, what is the one quality that you liked about Aisha, so he said कि I always used to tell her कि मैं कितना जल्दी में सब करता हूँ, और वो मुझे बोलती थी कि I तो had a nice 2 घंटे का लंबा shower and I relaxed myself and I slept for just few hours and I was like,
yeah.
Why?
Darling, that's one thing which I cannot. Yeah, that's my thing. I really enjoy long showers.
Good.
Yeah,
Anything
that's my
anything that
thing.
makes you feel relaxed is the best thing ever. Okay,
Yes,
so
100%.
when you were saying कि मेरा रूटीन बहुत हबड़ा दबड़ा है, चेंज हो गया है, बहुत ही कॉट अप है, फैंस जानना चाहते हैं कि एशा क्वारंटीन डेज में कर क्या रही है? What is her routine like?
I think they already know what I'm doing, because actually I'm in Bhopal, so I don't really have any books here. So I'm not reading at all, and I'm someone who cannot read on phone or. Sorry, I'm just scared of lizards. I thought ki chipkali, and I'm sorry, my bad. So yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm eating, sleeping, watching something, being with my family. So my whole family is here, and I have a female dog. Her name is Diana, and उसने अभी babies दिए हैं. So there are 3 pups in the house, and they're very cute, very adorable. तो मेरा आधा time उनके साथ चला जाता है. So yeah.
Right now, I have a thing in the heart. I wish I was there when you said.
Oh, I'll share the pictures with you. They're very cute, very cute.
I love dogs. I love pups. And you just said small, and I'm like,
yeah, they're just 3 days old, so they're very cute.
Okay. So fans ये भी पूछ रहे थे आपके आने से पहले कि बहुत टाइम से हमने अब आपको स्क्रीन पे नहीं देखा है, तो जब लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, what kind of roles do you want to do that excite you now?
Actually, I'm watching such good stuff that they really move you in a way. I don't really have a specific thing in my mind कि मैं यही करूँगी. Whatever I get, I will try कि मुझे जो ज़्यादा attract कर रहा है, I'll choose that. Let's see now. Lockdown तो खत्म हो.
But then, would you want to go towards the web series now, or do you want to stick to the TV screen, or both?
Everywhere, TV, a big screen, web, everywhere. I want to keep one hand here, one leg here, one leg there. In every direction, I want to do something. Yeah, whatever brings out the best in me, whatever attracts me. Oh, yeah. Let me show you the pup.
Please.
So just see. Can you see?
Aisha, can you pass them? Aisha, can you just pass them, please?
Oh, look. They're very cute.
I
So
don't
we are
mind
planning to
taking a
keep
gift.
one,
I
and
don't mind taking a gift, Aisha, at all.
I wish, yeah, darling. They're very cute.
I
उनकी
know, but
आंखें
then
नहीं खुली हैं अभी, so yeah, I'm gonna give it. Say bye,
what's
come on.
what's what's his or her name?
We're keeping one, and his name's Yoda. We have kept his name Yoda.
Yoda.
We're also
Wow.
planning to keep another female, and I have named her Jugni. So let's
Jugni.
see. Yoda and Jugni. Okay, go. Bye. Say bye to everyone.
Bye. Oh God, that's so cute.
Mama.
How happy are your parents that because shooting के कारण you are so caught up and you don't get time with them, and now कहते हैं ना एक तरीके से for you it's becoming like a blessing क्योंकि आप उनके साथ time spend कर पा रही हैं. So what is it like there?
I was watching this beautiful ad 2 3 days back. I think it was for Basmati, and it was like this. It was very positive ad. मैंने एक ही बार देखा. I wanted to watch it again. It was like आज इतने सालों बाद घर एक साथ बैठ के टीवी देख रहा है, एक साथ बैठ के गेम्स खेल रहा है. Otherwise, if me, mom are watching, my brother's doing something else, या dad office में होते थे. But now, because because of this lockdown, everybody is sitting at home and we are all together in this one house. Like there's nothing like I'm in Bhopal, but मैं घर पे ही रह रही हूँ. I'm not going and meeting my friends. So everybody is at home and spending so much time together. It's so lovely. After
अच्छा
years, I think.
I think बहुत सारे फैंस हैं जो अभी भी आपको ईद मुबारक दे रहे हैं, तो आपके सभी
Eid
फैंस को टेली सर्कल से
Mubarak!
आपको ईद मुबारक.
Yes,
I,
yes. Eid Mubarak. मैंने कल सेवइयां खाई. I had really good food. So
how
yeah,
was your
सबको
Eid?
Eid Mubarak.
How was this pure 1 month of your कहते हैं ना ईद का रमजान का महीना कैसा था आपका?
It was very nice for me. My very close friends are Muslim, so मैं उन लोगों से पूछती रहती थी, and I love food. So I talk about food. Secondly, yesterday, mom cooked sevaiya. My masi cooked sevaiya. So obviously we are not meeting, तो हमें बाहर से आकर दी. And I like to dress up. Does not matter. It's Christmas, it's Eid, or it's Holi, Diwali. I like to dress up. So yeah, I was wearing very traditional clothes. I was wearing kurta, and I had sevai. So yeah, it was lovely for me. It was nice. I was sitting at the terrace and मैंने ऐसे चांद को भी record किया. I posted a story also.
Wow. ओके, फैंस पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपके देश भर से फैंस हैं, सो कभी ऐसा हुआ है दैट यू हैव गॉट सम फॉलोअर फ्रॉम अब्रॉड हियर हु हैज बीन योर क्रेजी फैन टू योर सेट्स इश सुभान अल्लाह पे, कभी ऐसा कुछ मीटिंग हुआ है जो बाहर से स्पेशली आपको मिलने आए हैं?
Yeah, Indonesia. So there were fans who came down, who met us on the set only when I was doing Subhanallah. That's the mother. So
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
तब
So
गए थे.
I had promised the fans कि before you came कि मैं एशा के साथ दो किस्म की गेम्स खेलने वाली हूँ. एक तो है
Don't play
memory.
rapid fire, please.
No,
Yeah.
no rapid fire. No rapid fire. Rapid fire is done and dusted. So this is like a memory game. I am gonna take you back to your school, college, shooting, must everything, so that you also
Let's do it.
get to remember that. Okay. So while Aisha was in school, what kind of a child was she? What kind of a student was she?
So I was very shy student. I think not. I was very shy. I used to go. I was a typical student. I used to go school, do my work, study, come back home. In fact, my neighbors used to say, "हमें लगता ही नहीं है इस घर में कोई बच्चा रहता है." I never used to step out. I
Okay.
love being at home. That's me. I still love being at home, but still now I go out if I'm in Bhopal. But sixth class tak I was like this until I met my best friend Masira. And uske baad I was really very, very, very naughty. I didn't know that, oh, I also had this side which she discovered. And then I was very, very naughty. Like it was a gang, we also got suspended in school. So that naughty I became, yeah, later on.
And for what reason? I think Manish Rai Singhania.
Yeah, he's saying you still are shy. No, I'm not.
लेकिन क्या बोलते हैं? What was the reason behind you getting suspended, Aisha, if I may ask?
Nothing bad, honestly. So we were, it's very funny. So let me tell you the whole thing. हम already punishment में थे, and we had two labs, two computer labs. I know why we had two computer labs. Anyway, we had two computer labs, and we were sitting punishment. Me, Masira, and there were like 5, 6 more girls. And I don't know. This is very wrong, but I don't know what happened. We had this pencil, and we were completing our work. And हमारे पास keyboards थे, and keyboards की keys निकालनी शुरू कर दी हमने. It's bad, I know. We were what in 8th or 9th standard, and सबने जैसे मैंने अपना नाम ही EISHASIN ईशा सिंह. And during winters we used to wear blazers. तो blazers के अंदर इतनी सारी keys थी. And I think boys ने complained, and boys did not do anything. Only we girls were very, very naughty कि हम लोगों ने किया. So yeah, our principal suspended us. I came back home, and he said next after 2 days you have to come with your fathers or mother, whatever parents. So मैं आई घर and I showed my dad the letter. He said मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I'm not going. I said, look, I did not do nothing. I did not do anything wrong. He said, this is wrong. So हम सब ने, it was very funny. I feel bad, but that day I was laughing so much. So we went back school with our parents. We girls were standing, and हमारे पीछे हमारे parents खड़े हुए थे. And हमसे बोला कि keys निकालो. So हम लोग blazer से keys निकाल के रख रहे थे उनकी table पे. I'm like, damn, I had like 10 or 11 keys, Isha Singh, and I don't know what.
Okay,
So yeah, we got
so that means if we end up going to your school and if we end up meeting your teachers and principals, this is the memory they are gonna share.
No,
about
I
you.
don't think so. They should remember this. I don't think that's very
Have you
bad.
done something much more than this, Isha, that they should remember?
We were very naughty. Me and Masira were really close. We used to sit together. But I remember during economics class, we had this teacher, Ashu ma'am, हमको अलग कर देती कि Isha and Masira don't sit together.
Okay.
So yeah, I was very talkative then. After 6th standard, I used to talk a lot. A lot means a lot.
So
Otherwise, you see my report
she
card.
Yeah. She changed you for us for good.
Yeah, you see my report card, everywhere it's written she's not talkative, she's very shy student. And after 6th standard, it's like Isha is very talkative, Isha is very talkative. Like, okay.
Okay. So the next one. अपने कॉलेज में जब आप आए हैं, I don't know आपके वहाँ क्या कहते हैं, junior college or maybe.
No, we have college only. Yeah,
college. So when you entered your college, वहाँ का vibe कैसा था? How were you then? Like when you entered the college?
Actually, I'll be very honest, my college gayi nahi. I always did. I used to go for exams only, because then by the time I joined, I was doing Ishq Ka Rang Safed.
Yes.
So मैंने college life कभी ऐसे नहीं enjoy करी. I used to go there for exams. I didn't know what all students are there. I used to go study 2-3 nights before. I used to give my exams, and this is how I did my college life.
But then did the students in the exam come and tell you that we have seen you, we are your big fans, and those kind of things?
Yeah, I remember first year I was giving my first year exams, and so I was sitting in another room, and no, the first time I was sitting with these people only, and they used to come and tell me very sweetly. So yeah.
Okay. So when you entered the industry, when you joined acting, when you chose acting as a career, उसकी पहली याद क्या थी? Like when you first got selected for the role, what is the memory of that?
So my first show was Ishq Ka Rang Safed.
Yes.
I was very scared, leaving I still get goosebumps because I left my house. I left Bhopal. I was 16 or 17, so it was a very different experience for me. Leaving, and my mom was there with me. So my dad and my brother were here in Bhopal, and me and my mom shifted to Bombay. So I remember Ishq Ka Rang Safed's promos were out, and I don't know what happened to me. I started crying that day because I was missing my home, my friends, Bhopal, everything so much. And dad called me up, and he's like, कि अगर तुम्हें नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, you can come back. Imagine he was ready to take it all. There was some legal terms that you cannot. Of course, the promos were out, and I'm like, मुझे घर की इतनी याद आ रही है. But I think I was very young and very new to the industry, very new to the very new city, very new to Mumbai. So now I look back, I just smile because I'm so glad, touchwood, you guys have accepted me so well. Mumbai has accepted me so well. So I love that city. मेरा घर है वो.
Honestly, Isha, I've seen Ishq Ka Rang Safed also, and I've seen Ishq Subhanallah also. And there's one thing that's common in both is that आपका जो रवैया है काम की तरफ, या मे बी जो आपका नेचर है वो सेम रहा है, मतलब वो बदलाव नहीं आया है कि अगर सक्सेस मिल गया है तो बदलाव आता है ना, तो आप में बिल्कुल नहीं आया है अब तक।
That's
आई
so
थिंक दैट्स अ
sweet.
वेरी गुड थिंग।
And thank you, thank you. That really means a lot to me. That really means a lot.
ओके, सो एक आपके फैंस हैं, वो पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर जी ऑफर्स यू द रोल ऑफ ज़ारा अगेन, विल यू मेक अ कमबैक एज ज़ारा?
Uh, let's see. I can't say anything right now. What happens, I don't know. I think
Okay.
yes, I will do it. It really depends, you know. I'm just waiting for this lockdown to get over because there are few meetings which are left in between. So let's see how it goes.
Okay. So another one is asking, what is the funniest thing that has happened to you in Ish Subhan Allah, the craziest one while shooting, and lots of love for Maldives.
Thank you so much. I was really planning to come Maldives and Bali. I was not sure, but maybe Maldives or Bali this year. But then this COVID-19 thing happened, unfortunately. Anyway, the funniest thing that happened, it's very difficult to name one thing because every day was an adventure. Every day, something or the other funny thing used to happen. But me and Adnan used to, when we were there in the scenes, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा pranks करते थे, especially Adnan. कुछ ना कुछ pranks होते ही रहते थे. Imagine
Okay.
there's a very serious scene and you used to used to do something silly, and I used to control my laughter. So yeah, something or the other thing used to happen every day. My friends, my very close friend is asking me that why don't you sit anywhere else? I just got the notification. I am sitting I was sitting in the drawing room. This is my brother's room I'm sitting in. So it's a different spot. Let me tell you, my friend, it's a different spot. I'm not sitting in one spot. Please.
Okay. फैंस ये पूछ रहे हैं कि जब फर्स्ट टाइम आप अदनान से मिले थे, तो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन एज अ को स्टार, एज अ पर्सन, आप पे क्या था उनका?
इससे नहीं बनेगी मेरी. Everybody knows. I really assume that he's very खड़ूस. He did not say hello or anything to me. He did not say bye to me properly, and then he jhatkofied the hand. They all know the story now. But yeah, my first impression was it's a very beautiful show, very lovely character. But this co-star is, man, I told my mom that he's just weird. I don't think so. मेरी इससे बनेगी. And it turned out to be opposite. Yeah,
And
we became really
when
good
was that
friends.
break the ice moment? वो breaking the ice moment कब आया आप दोनों के बीच में? आपको लगा कि अरे I was so wrong.
Yeah, I think it was during the first promo shoot in Hyderabad. He was reading some book, and I did not know he's into books, and he likes to read. And he was reading something, and he told me, you know, I think he was very emotional. He just finished reading some book. I don't remember the name honestly. And then we kept talking, and by chance, Khalid Hosseini, I love Khalid Hosseini's book. And Kite Runner is my favorite book. So I just started talking about this book, and he told me that he loves this book too. And then we shared this quote for you 1,000 times
Wow.
over. So this is how, yeah. I was
That
like,
is
oh,
so
he's not
sweet.
that bad.
See, I have no problem towards any of you because I like both of you. So yeah.
Oh, that's really sweet. That's really sweet.
Because whenever I met you on sets, you guys have always been very sweet. You know, चाहे camera rolling है, camera non-rolling है, whatever. But for me, that's how it has been.
But I'm very sorry, Kaiba. We are in so much rush, and on set the atmosphere is very different. You know, we have to change, we have to do scripts, we have to go for another scene, we have to memorize the lines also. But yeah, you guys
I
are
remember
amazing.
when fans used to ask us the same question that, you know, what is taking you so long, so long? So I used to tell them that, guys, you are not there. We see them daily and we know that they are struggling and juggling to give us something and do
Exactly,
it well. So
exactly.
please wait. But ठीक है. Okay, moving ahead. If I would say that, you know, industry में पहला कदम आपने लिया, तब से लेकर सफर पूरा बदल गया है. सबसे खूबसूरत याद आपके लिए क्या रही है अभी तक? मेमोरी जो आप बहुत ज्यादा अपने मन में है अभी, like, you know, you're cherishing that one.
It's very difficult. I'm very bad at, I think, because touchwood mera pura safar these 5 years. I've completed 5 years in March, and
Oh wow, congratulations.
yeah, thank you so much. So time really flies. I don't know. I look back, I'm like, I still remember the first day. I still remember my first house where I shifted. I still remember my first scene. I still remember my first day on the sets of Ishq Ka Rang Safed. So touchwood, the whole journey was very beautiful for me. Also, luckily, my mom was with me, so obviously shifting to a new city where you don't know anybody, you don't have any friends. So mom used to support me a lot. There were days when I was low, I used to cry, I don't used to feel good, you know. She used to support me. Uh, Ishka and Safed, the whole team gave me so much love. The whole team loved me like anything, especially the cast. They really took care of me. Really, really took care of me. Mai, Suvarna, Raj Lakshmi. And I was the only newcomer, you know. Everybody was so much experienced with 25 years of experience, 30 years of experience. Imagine मेरी इतनी age नहीं जितना लोगों का experience है. But they loved me. They loved me for who I was, and they accepted me. Yeah.
That's sweet. Okay. So when was the first time Aisha जब आपको वो celebrity वाली feeling आई थी या अभी तक आई नहीं है?
I think this is during Ishq Rang Safed only. I went to Juhu Beach. No, I think this was okay. The first time I'm just getting confused. The first time was I went to passport office because my something was wrong with my documents. So I went, and they were all so happy. They all turned back and they were like, "Oh, you're Dhani, you're Dhani," and I got so happy. I'm like, "Shit!" You know, and they were so happy to see that. Oh, I'm from Bhopal and I'm here. They did not believe. I said, "Yeah, I'm from Bhopal, and yeah, now I shifted to Mumbai." And secondly, I was still very new to Mumbai. I don't remember it was during Ishq Rang Safed or Raja Rani. I went to Juhu Beach and I was I was eating baraf ka gola. I love baraf ka gola. I was eating baraf ka gola and they were like, I'm not kidding. They were like 30, 40 females. सिर्फ लड़कियां लड़कियां थी and उन लोगों ने मुझे घेर लिया. My mom got so scared because you know sometimes they fans don't understand what to do. So they were pulling me कि हमारे साथ फोटो लो and उनके चक्कर में बाकी लोग भी देख लगे कि हुआ क्या. So my mom got so scared. उन्होंने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा and मुझे खींचती हुई लेकर आई. यहाँ तक कि मेरा जब मैं आई तो मेरा टॉप खिंचा हुआ था. You know, and I got I just I was very happy. I was overwhelmed, but at the same time I was scared that you know okay I don't know because ऐसी भीड़ में then उल्टे सीधे लड़के भी होते हैं. I should not say this, but you never know. But I got really scared that what happened. जब मैं कार में बैठी तब मैंने बोला oh shit. But still I waited. मैंने कांच नीचे किया and I was talking to everybody. But for that 10-15 minutes I was really scared. My mom was scared. मेरी मम्मा की चेहरे का रंग उड़ा हुआ था.
Like it might have been कि आप गाड़ी में बैठे हैं तब जाके sink in करा कि okay this happened. This really happened.
Exactly. You don't. Yeah, you were just enjoying बर्फ. मेरे तो बर्फ का गोला गिर गया उसका भी बहुत दुख था मुझे.
Okay, what was the first salary that you got and उसमें से when was the first time जब आप actor बन गई तो you got something special for your parents and your family?
I still don't ask my parents how much I'm earning, what I'm earning, because I don't really want to get into the financial department, the money department. So they really manage. I still, even if I have to go and buy 10 rupees की chocolate, I still ask to mama that मुझे पैसे चाहिए or anything. You know, and I love that because मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं मम्मा से आज भी पैसे लेती हूँ. मुझे 20 रुपए की चीज लेनी है, I'll go and I'll ask her that okay I need 20 rupees, I need 200
Do you
rupees.
take pocket money also, Aisha? Because
Yeah, now I started getting pocket money.
I do.
I do get pocket money and yeah, every month I get pocket money and they don't ask me कि तुमने कहाँ खर्च किया, क्या खर्च करे. But all they tell me is that start saving. My mom says that now you need to learn कि कहाँ जा रहा है पैसा, how much you're earning, where we are doing it. But I trust them so much and I'm so much carefree that वो money department में मैं जा नहीं रही. I'm only focusing on my work. And that really makes me happy that I have my mom and dad who are managing it so well. So I don't have to. I love it when I ask them for 10 rupees, 20 rupees. When I go and ask dad कि मुझे 500 rupees चाहिए, I'm going out, I need this. I love it. I don't think so. Even if I'll be 40, I'll still ask them to manage it. I cannot do that.
It seems as if you're reading my mind and you're talking, Aisha, because I say the same thing. I tell my mom that the same thing. That let me earn whatever I earn, but the pocket money is mine.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Okay, so what is that one line that Aisha says a lot? मतलब बहुत बार आप बोलते रहते हैं वो word या वो line.
मैं आई थिंक मैं हद है यार बहुत बोलती हूँ कि हद है यार और मैं यार बहुत यूज करती हूँ. मेरा हर सेंटेंस यार और यार से शुरू होता है, यार पे खत्म होता है.
Okay.
और नाउ दिस लॉकडाउन आई स्टार्ट सेइंग मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, मुझे भूख लगी है, अ लॉट, लाइक every 5 minutes I'm hungry. That's why I kept the bottle. I said मुझे प्यास लगेगी, and मैं, just because I don't feel hungry, तो मैं पानी पीती रहूँ.
Okay. And what is that one lie? वो एक ऐसा झूठ जो ईशा बहुत अक्सर बोल देती है.
I think अब तो नहीं बोलती हूँ, but when I used to go out to meet my friends that I'm on the way, they know अगर ईशा को हम 2 बजे के टाइम मिलेंगे तो वो सारी मीटिंग 4 बजे होगी. My friends know. I don't do it purposely, but I don't know what happens, मैं लेट हो ही जाती हूँ. So मैं सबको बोलती हूँ कि हाँ मैं रास्ते में हूँ, और मैं घर से निकली नहीं होती हूँ. So yeah, that's one lie. And they know this.
Aisha, you and I are very similar at very so many
High
points.
five!
You and I are very similar. Okay. So you just said that you've been watching a lot many movies and you've been reading and you're मतलब कहते हैं अभी नहीं, but you love books. So if you had to suggest your fans any 3 movies and any 3 web series right now, तो वो कौन सी होती?
Okay, nice. Please watch Fleabag. Please watch Fleabag. You, I loved you. Mrs. Maisel, I did not complete, so I won't suggest that. What else did I watch? I think ऐसे टाइम पे मैं एकदम blank हो जाती हूँ. You, Fleabag, Hollywood. These 3, I love them. I cried my eyes out watching Hollywood. Fleabag made me so emotional. You, I loved you. I'm not a person who loves thrill or these crime scenes, but I loved it.
Okay. फैंस ये बोल रहे हैं कि क्यों ना मैं आपके साथ नेवर हैव आई एवर खेलूं, बिकॉज वो चाहते हैं कि वो आपका वो फन साइड और जान सके.
Okay, let's do it.
सेफ रखने की कोशिश करूंगी, प्रॉमिस नहीं करती है ईशा. Okay. Never
I can
have
skip the question, right?
I will not put you in any uncomfortable situation. Promise.
Okay.
Never have I ever done anything illegal.
Never.
It can be breaking a rule, it can be bunking, it can be anything. Gate crashing, anything.
I don't think so. I've ever done anything like that. I am very naughty, but nothing illegal, I feel. No.
But would you want to do if given a chance?
I don't think so. I don't have to do illegal stuff to have fun. I can sit in this room and I can really enjoy. So yeah.
Perfect. Never have I ever called somebody by their wrong name.
Always. I'm very bad with names, and people are bad with my name. Like they call me Aisha, Aisha. You know, they're
I call
very
you Aisha.
few.
How is
No,
your name
it's
pronounced?
sorry. It's Isha.
It's Isha.
Yeah, it's Isha.
I have been corrected for your name numerous times because I used to call you Isha. They said no, she's E-I. She's Aisha.
No, Aisha is AI. It's Isha. Badai.
I'll go back to my own pronunciation now.
Yeah, it's Isha.
Okay.
So yeah.
Never have I ever butt dialed anyone. As in, you've never called anyone गलती से, हाथ में phone पड़ा है वो गलती से लग जाए.
Always. I'm very bad, and I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It will be in my pocket and वो dial हो जाएगा, कोई मेरी बातें सुनता रहेगा. I don't know, so इसलिए मैंने लॉक लगाया हुआ है. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि कहीं लग गया है. So yeah.
And then mostly किसको कॉल लग जाती है?
मेरे स्पीड डायल से मेरे मॉम डैड होते हैं, मेरे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, उन्हीं को लगता है मोस्टली.
Okay. Never have I ever.
Oh, something funny happened yesterday. I was calling somebody and I saw the missed call. And during the shoots, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? जैसे if you are my AD, I'll save your name as some character, something like that, you know. And that person called me and I missed the call. I called back and I thought it's Azra, it's Kanika. I said, yes, darling, what's up? And he was like, no, ma'am, मैं राहुल बोल रहा हूँ. I said, oh shit, I'm so sorry. So yeah, मेरे रोज से कुछ ना कुछ.
I can feel that thing because we also tend to do that thing. So yes, I know it. Okay, never have I ever held the wrong person's hand in public, in a cafe or anywhere, but the wrong person's hand.
I've done this. So when I'm going out with my mother, I love to hold her hand. You know, she holds my hand. So one day she was behind me and I was walking. in front and she was behind me. I thought, Mama, and मैं किसी और का हाथ पकड़ के चलने लगी, and that lady did not say anything to me. I turned back. I said, Mama, and she's looking at me and I'm looking at her. I said, oh, ma'am, I'm very sorry. And she just smiled and I said, कुछ reaction तो दे देती. इतनी देर से मेरे साथ चल रही है. Tell me that, okay, what are you doing? She did not say anything. I think she loved me. I swear she did not. She was an oldie, but yeah, I turned back and I was holding her hand. And मैंने बाद में देखा, and my mom was smiling. Even she did not say anything. I looked back and there I see my mom smiling and laughing at me.
Okay. Never have I ever sent the wrong text to somebody I was just bitching about to my friend, or maybe gossiping about to my friend.
I have done this. कई बार screenshots लेके जिसकी screenshots, I'm very sorry. I don't do this, but yeah, I was doing something and उसी को भेजती. I'm like, damn. Now the WhatsApp has this delete message वाला option.
Yes.
Earlier there was this option not available, so I was like, damn. मैं फंस गई थी. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. I couldn't do anything. There was nothing I could do.
And then वहाँ से जवाब क्या आया?
I don't remember the jawab, but yeah, something also very funny happened. I don't know if I should share this or not. I'm someone who does not abuse. I'm someone who does not abuse. But when you talk to friends, you tend to use some basic words. For
Yes.
example, asshole. I'm very sorry. Please, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. So I was just talking to somebody regarding work. It was a very, very professional con one. I was talking to her for the very first time on text. And I said, okay, I'll get back to you ASAP, ASAP. And by chance, my autocorrected converted it into asshole. And मैंने भेज दिया, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. And she said, I'm sorry, what? I was so ashamed. The next time I faced her, I said, I'm very sorry. And she was just laughing. She was sweet like that. But I was so ashamed. I said, shit, she used to think, उसको लगा होगा मैं यही बोलती रहती हूँ. So by chance this happened. Yeah.
For me, bye turned into baby.
But
And I was sending it to some senior, like some guy who was like senior to me. Like I look up to him, and मैंने उसको bye लिखा और वो baby हो गया.
Oh my god.
और उस बेचारे ने he understood and he writes back saying कि I got your point.
That's very sweet. अरे तो कुछ लोगों को लगेगा ये flirt कर रहा है. You know, people
Exactly.
are. So yeah,
Okay.
happens.
Okay, never have I ever wanted to talk to somebody but pretended to be angry with them to just get the कहते हैं ना footage or maybe the importance from them.
I don't pretend. If I'm upset, my friends or people who love me will know that, okay, Isha is upset. So I don't really
So
pretend
you
to.
never have just pretended कि मैं गुस्सा हूँ ताकि सब लोग मुझे attention दें, maybe घर वाले या friends.
नहीं, मैं जब गुस्सा होती हूँ बहुत genuinely गुस्सा होती हूँ. And when I'm angry, I start crying. So वो तो अलग ही परेशानी है मेरी जिंदगी की. If I'm really very upset, I start crying. I get very emotional. And now I think this lockdown has made me even more emotional and sensitive. So if I'm upset or I'm feeling bad, I start crying. I try not to. But yeah, this is how I am now.
Okay. Never have I ever acted very angry or maybe I've been upset over my co-star. Like for some random reason. कुछ उसने करा भी नहीं है उस बेचारे co-star ने, but still I'm angry. Like I'm just moody.
I am very moody, but I try not to. No. I'm very moody. I'm somebody who's very moody. Like this moment I'm smiling, next minute I'll be very grumpy and cranky. But I try ki when I'm working and when I'm with these professional people, with my co-stars, with my team, I don't do this. I don't think so. ऐसा कभी हुआ होगा. If I'm upset with somebody, I go and tell them that I did not like this, what you did. I did not like how you behaved. So yeah.
Okay.
And if I'm very upset, I stop talking.
Okay. Never have I ever lied about an illness to miss an event or some outing with friends or with anyone.
I don't think so. Can't remember. Honestly, I can't remember. I don't think so.
Okay. Your fans are asking, does Aisha like to cook? And if yes, what is her favorite dish that she loves cooking?
No, I don't like to cook. I really don't like to cook. My mom says I have changed a lot when I was really young. I used to go in the kitchen and I used to tell my nanny that मुझे खाना बनाना सीखना है. I really want to cook rotis. And she used to give me the last roti ka wo, okay, you do it. But now I don't like to cook anything. My mom's very good cook. She's really good, and I really am scared I'll never be like her. Like बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है, but I can never do that. I don't like to cook. मैं सिर्फ खाना खाना जानती हूँ, खाना बनाना नहीं जानती. All I can cook is Maggi, भिंडी की सब्जी. Uh, uh, what else I can cook? I tried samosas and momos also a little bit, but I don't think so I can do it alone without any help. I make amazing cold coffee. That's it.
Sorted.
Sorted. I'm very sorted.
This is sorted.
ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ी तो मॉम को कॉल करो. वैसा होगा नहीं कि मैं मम्मा के बिना हूँ. अदरवाइज यूट्यूब है.
This is sorted. You just said cold coffee. My observation ended there. End.
Yeah.
Okay. Fans ये भी पूछ रहे थे आपसे कि आपका favorite color in the perspective of your attire, your lip shade and your nail colors कौन सा है?
I love pink shades. I love pink shade, but nail paints. I don't know why I only have this one nail paint. देखो और किसी
Why?
finger पे नहीं हो. You know why? So I have this very bad habit of biting nails when I'm thinking too much. It's very bad. I'm trying to get rid of it, but I love long nails. So I was trying to grow my nails, and बाकी सब नाखून में खा चुकी थी. सिर्फ ये नहीं खाया था. And imagine इसको भी मैंने खा लिया. वो इतना सही बच्चा है ना. Yeah. So मैंने इसमें nail paint लगा दिया था कि you cannot touch it, Isha. And when there's nail paint I don't eat my nails. I don't bite my nails. So
that is the reason of the nail paint.
Yeah, I forgot to remove it, but yeah,
Okay.
it's weird. My mom was asking me the other day that why do you only have this one finger में nail paint? I said, oh, long story.
Okay. Fans पूछ रहे हैं what is the biggest fear that you have?
The biggest fear what I have is to regret anything in life. I don't want to be 65 sitting alone and looking back and regretting that why didn't I do this. I don't So what I believe in, I really follow my heart. If I feel like doing this, I will do it. I don't know what the outcome is. Even if I'll fail, at least when I'll be 65, I'll be like, okay, I did try, it did not work out. Or maybe I did try and look, now here I am. So I don't want to look back and feel that, oh shit, I did not give it a chance. Why didn't I try? That regretting feeling, I don't want to get that feel. Yeah. I want to be 65 and be like, okay, ठीक है, I made these decisions, I did this, but now I'm happy. At least I gave it a try.
Okay. Fans पूछ रहे हैं कि if you would have been a writer, out of the two shows, Ishq Subhan Allah and Ishq Ka Rang Safed, दोनों में से किसी एक शो का अगर आप ट्विस्ट चेंज कर सकती या कोई सीन बदल सकती जो आपका फेवरेट है तो वो कौन सा होता और क्या लिखती आप?
I think Ishq Ka Rang Safed because the one reason I left the show was I did not feel like playing a mother at a very young age. So मैं शायद वो scene I cannot write. I don't think so. I'm good with words. I'm very bad at expressing myself also. Like I feel too much, but when it comes to words, I'm very, very bad. And people who are close to me, they know I cannot really express well. Like I'll be feeling so much, but when I'll be sitting in front of you, I won't be able to express it so well. I try, but sometimes I fail. Anyway, I think Ishq Ka Rang Safed because I wanted to do that show more, but I left it because the story demanded me playing a mother, Dhani being a mother, and I was not ready. And if I'm not ready, how will I be able to convince my fans or my viewers? So I left the show. So yeah.
Okay, fans ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि if given a chance, would Aisha host or maybe judge or maybe be a part of any reality show?
I would love to do Khatron Ke Khiladi. Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Really?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what
yeah.
what is that adventurous streak that you have in yourself? वो क्या है जिससे आपको सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है या क्या है जो आपको करना है experiment?
I have major height phobia.
Really?
मुझे बहुत yeah. I'm really scared. I'm on the 16th floor in Mumbai, but now I started looking down. But मैं अपनी balcony से नीचे नहीं देख पाती थी. I was that scared. In fact, in my school we had like 5 floors, 3 floors. But हमारा ramp बहुत ऊपर था, so we had stairs and ramp. But मैं third floor के ramp से नीचे नहीं देख पाती थी. So I'm trying to overcome that fear. I really want to do skydiving. but I think I'll need 2-3 more years to prepare myself. So yeah, I really want to go and do Khatro.
Okay, so आखिरी के दो questions. One being, if we ever come to your house and we meet your mom, dad, and your brother and your family, what is that one आपकी ऐसी शरारत या कोई ऐसी मेमोरी जो वो पक्के से जैसे होता है पेरेंट्स बताते ही बताते हैं, तो वो कौन सी होगी जो वो बताएंगे बताएंगे?
I think we should really ask this my mom because she really has a pitara of my shararat. I was so एक टाइम तक मैं बहुत ज्यादा naughty थी. Then there was this period when I was, I think, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The moment I was growing up, I was entering my teenage, I was very shy. And then again, this phase where I'm very naughty now. So my mom used to tell me I was very stubborn kid. I was very stubborn. I used to stand. I think few of you guys know this. And अगर मुझे कुछ चीज नहीं मिल रही होती थी, sorry कोई बोल रहा है हिंदी में, okay. अगर मुझे कोई चीज नहीं मिल रही होती थी तो मैं जिद कर ले. Suppose this is a toy shop and I'm standing here. मेरे मॉम डैड ने मुझे बहुत बिगाड़ा. बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, टच वुड, मुझे मेरे मुंह से चीज निकली एंड दे हैव गिवन मी एवरीथिंग. आई रियली, if I'm like this, if they feel that I'm a nice person or I enjoy every moment, it's because of my parents. They have their upbringing, they have been amazing. Yeah, they are just amazing parents. So anyway, still now I'm what, 21, I'll be 22 this year. I say something, I love that. Okay, this is making me emotional. Anyway, this is the toy shop. I'm standing here and I'll be like, मुझे ये चाहिए. And अगर मॉम डैड आगे बढ़ जाते थे, हम उस पर ध्यान नहीं देते, तो मैं खड़े खड़े I'm standing and मैं सीधे गिरती थी. I did not give a damn कि पीछे क्या है, मेरा सर लग सकता है. So एक इंसान मेरे पीछे चलता था कि गिरेगी गिरेगी तो पकड़ लेते थे. So my paternal side, my बुआ and everybody, they still joke that इसकी शादी होगी, फेरे ले रही होगी और इसका मन नहीं होगा तो गिर जाएगी सीधे. I'm like, no, I will not do that now. But imagine, I was very stubborn. That नहीं मिल रहा तो मैं सीधे गिर जाती थी. But मेरे मॉम डैड ने बहुत बिगाड़ा है मुझे.
Okay, last वाली thing. What is that two things in your morning routine and your night routine जिनके बिना आपका दिन शुरू या खत्म नहीं होता?
दिन खत्म कब हो जाता है वो तो पता नहीं चलता. I'm not right now, just don't ask me because my sleeping schedule is really bad. But one thing, my mom gives me lukewarm water with dhania and pudina in the morning. I really need that to start my day. मुझे बेड पे ही मिलती है वो चीज. So yeah, that and my day before going to bed, I really like to wash my face, my hand and my feet. I cannot sleep without washing my feet. मेरे डैड कहते हैं कि सपने अच्छे नहीं आते, सो शायद मेरे दिमाग में छोटे से रह गए.
थोड़ा क्लीन करके सोना चाहिए ताकि अपनी जगह साफ, आप साफ होके सोए ताकि यू नो द ड्रीम्स कम वेरी.
या सो बेड तो साफ रहते ही है, बट पैर साफ करना, माय डैड ऑलवेज से, ही स्टिल सेज दैट पैर धोकर सोना चाहिए तो आपको सपने अच्छे आते हैं. मुझे सपने ही नहीं आते. अच्छे बुरे की बात ही छोड़ो.
Okay, so there are so many fans जो आपको एक बहुत ही टफ चॉइस लेने को बोल रहे हैं, लाइक बहुत ही ज्यादा टफ. वो चाहते
मैं नहीं आंसर करूंगी.
हाँ, तो वो चाहते हैं कि वो आप चूज करें इश्क सुभान अल्लाह या फिर इश्क का रंग सफेद में से कौन सा आपका ज्यादा फेवरेट है. एंड ऑल्सो को स्टार्स मिशाल और अदनान में से फेवरेट कौन सा है, बेटर कौन सा है? इट्स वेरी टफ, आई नो.
It's very difficult because not only Ishq Ka Rang Safed and Ishq Subhan Allah, but also Raja Rani. These three shows will always be very close to my heart. I always say this is a very tough choice. It's like asking a mother to choose कि आपको दोनों बच्चों या तीनों बच्चों में से कौन सा बच्चा पसंद है. You know, she won't be able to do so.
I know.
But at the same time, I think it's very difficult. They all hold a very special memory and a very special and big place in my heart. So it's very difficult to name one show or one co-star. They all have been really amazing and sweet towards me. So I'm very sorry, I really can't answer them. I cannot. They all stand one line and really love, respect and care them. Like 90%, 100%, 30%. They all of them were amazing.
All right, Isha, any parting message for your fans? Because you know I have enjoyed. मुझे पता नहीं चला कि ये time निकला कब.
Oh God, I don't feel like no. I'm not. I want to talk more, please. I'm really enjoying it.
I'm okay. I thought maybe you are tired. I am okay. Fans are happy.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my messages पढ़ नहीं पाते.
No,
I'm
because
just looking at
90%
you and
messages
talking.
are that we love you. You are cute. You are so pretty.
Thank you. Thank
You look
you.
so
Thank
natural. You look so sweet. Matlab, all the hearts are pouring in. Is what I've seen it almost.
That's really sweet. I'm really glad they love me so much for who I am. They never asked me to change. Or I really get so much love from them that some days I sit alone and I'm like, my God, they love me so much. You know, there are days when you just don't feel good. You don't feel good about yourself. It's not only me, but sometimes there are low days. But then I sometimes look at these messages. I sit alone and think that they love me so much for who I am. So thank you so much, guys. I will always be grateful. And I'm sending virtual hugs and buckets of love, kisses, good wishes, and so much love and hugs. So thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, stay at home.
And they're also requesting you that if it is possible for you in the near future, please come up with a nice music album with Adnan because they really want to see you in a music album. So I conveyed their
I
message.
will try my best. Okay, okay, I will try my best, guys.
Thank you so much, Isha. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you.
talking to you, and I hope कि आप जल्द से जल्द अपना काम शुरू करें after lockdown ताकि मुझे मिलने का मौका मिले finally.
Exactly. I know. We'll meet. I'm gonna hug everybody now. This thing goes away so that I can really go and hug people. Now we are so scared that कई बार मुझे अपने mom dad को hug करने में डर लगता है. Even if we are not stepping out, this thing's just very scary. So all I want to say to you also is that please be safe, stay at home.
I will, and you please take care of your family and those
Yeah.
sweet, cute little the newborns and the mother also.
I'll keep sharing the pictures. I'll share some videos also with
Please,
you.
if you don't want to put it on Instagram, send to me personal. I don't mind.
Yeah. I will send it to you right now.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. It was lovely. Bye, guys.
It was pretty lovely talking to you. Well, that was Isha Singh for you, and I think this was a pretty good live session with her. She loved, and you got all your answers. And we did filter a few questions that you guys did not want to talk about. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this live session, and this live is going to be there on our IGTV, and later it's going to be available on our YouTube channel. So you can, yes, go there, watch our live, and do tell us how did you like this live. And thank you so much for joining with us. This is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off. And yes, be safe, be home. Thank you.